Hey kids, and welcome to day 22 of A Very Windows Christmas. So for day 22, what I thought I would do is I'm going to be installing Windows NT 3.5 build 612. Now, this is, I'm pretty sure, the oldest build of NT 3.5 that is available. And I'm pretty sure it's also the official beta 1. So yeah, it includes some differences from NT 3.1, but not a lot. But, I thought I'd still, take a look at it for you anyway. And besides, there's some changes, so yeah. Right, so I already have the CD in the drive. I got my DOS 622 installation here, so let's do this. Alright, so I've made the boot floppies, and, the boot disk is in the drive. I didn't want to make you watch through me making the boot disks, so I skipped it, and there you go. So I'm just gonna reboot. Alright. Disk 2 going in. Warning to Windows NT 3.5 beta users. Windows NT version 3.5 contains new file system features for the FAT NTFS drivers. Okay, well, I don't have an older version on here, so continue. Express setup. Now we need disk 3. All right, just continue with that. Okay, let's go with that FAT partition, and we're going to leave the current file system intact. Windows 3.5. There it goes, copying files. Very quickly too. There we go. So we're going to remove the floppy disk that's in there, and we're going to reboot. All right. So name is TWF, company TWF Co. Windows NT needs a computer name. Okay, and call it Windows 3.5 B for beta. Continue with that. Cancel. Continue. The network card in here is way too old, so just continue with that. Okay, leave the password blank. No local account will be set up. Okay. Oh. Okay, still needs, even though this is, a NT 3.5's beta, this is, it still needs emergency repair. I swear they, ditched that somewhere in here. It's probably different bill I was thinking about. Yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna get an emergency repair disk. Okay, got the emergency repair disk. Let's just format this. Alright, Windows NT 3.5 is now installed. So I'm just gonna eject this, and I'm going to eject this too. And now all these are free to go. There you go. Restart. Okay, very different looking winnt.bmp. We're going to log on first before we point it out. No sound, but we don't really need sound. Okay, so as you can see, the BMP here is the Windows flag logo on an actual flag is being waved around. I think the reason why they did this is because, NT 3.5 was codenamed Daytona. Daytona is well known for its races, and you wave a flag at the beginning of a race and at the end. Clever, right? Ooh. Also, they named it Daytona because the main thing was to improve performance. Like, like a race car. It performs pretty well, right? Yeah, there's not really much different here. Just says a few things changed. We got WinBug, bug reporting tool. Very beautiful. No. We got games. We got Minesweeper. Gotta play this. Ooh, I never got 2 on a corner before. Oh. Lost on the second click. That's beautiful. Yeah, that's just about it. Yeah, the only changes are I can really find are the branding, the WinNT BMP, and the WinBug tool. That's it. Wow, what a nice video this was, huh? Anyways, yeah, thank you all for watching day 22 of Everyone's Christmas, and I'll see you on the penultimate day of Everyone's Christmas, day 23. All right, see ya.